Hello, today we will guide you through how to register on XM Broker. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official XM website, especially if you are starting from a new browser tab or from your device's homepage. Once Google loads, click into the search bar so you can type your search. Next, enter XM into the Google search field. Keep the search simple so the most relevant results appear clearly. After typing it in, run the search and wait for the results page to load. You should see XM appear among the top results. From the search results, click on XM. As always, it is a good idea to make sure you are selecting the official website before continuing, since registration should only be completed on the correct platform. Once you click it, the XM homepage will open. When the homepage appears, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on Get Started. This is the option that takes you to the account creation page. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds until the registration form becomes visible. On the registration page, you will be asked to enter your email address and create a password. Type in your email carefully to avoid mistakes, since this is usually where confirmations and account-related messages will be sent. For the password, choose something strong and secure. A good password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure it is something you can store safely and access later if needed. After filling in the required details, take a brief moment to review everything before moving on. Checking your email for spelling errors and making sure your password meets the platform's requirements can help you avoid delays during sign-up. Once everything looks correct, click on Register. This will submit your information and begin the account creation process. After that, XM may guide you through additional verification or confirmation steps on the next screen, so simply follow the prompts shown there. That's it. You have now gone through the basic registration process for creating an account on XM Broker. If you are following along on your own device, move slowly and double-check each field as you go to make the process smooth and accurate.